very, very embarrassing.
Yeah.
Like to their nation.
Maybe, yeah, it's okay. We don't care about this netball sport, so. Okay, question 17.
Here.
Let's see. Construct the quadrilateral. 你这个都不是 quadrilateral， 你都没有 join up。哦，有。
他说另外
A B C D. Okay, good. Sorry. A B is 7. Good. B C is 2. Okay, good. A D is 5. Very good. Then A B C is 90. Okay, good. B A D. B A D. Okay. Then has okay, good. So far so good. Measure and write the BCD. How can BCD be 62? BCD must be more than 90.
Oh
my god.
Measure wrongly.
Oh my god. You can't read like your BCD is a obtuse.
It's a bigger than a 90.
Yes. You can't make mistakes like this.
It is.
You keep making mistakes like this, no one can help you.
117.
Okay, at least it should be more than 90.
I don't know what happened to my brain today.
Then you need to construct a line parallel to AB.
Yeah, from D to E, right? If I'm not wrong.
Okay, A, B, then how you construct?
You have to like use this thing, then you move up.
Move.
Yeah.
You don't move that one.
Yeah, use this one.
Correct. Okay, done. Good. So measure and write down the. And you need to extend. This BC so that it hit the.
So it hits the E.
Yeah, you need to connect. So this is a trapezium. This is trapezium. Good. Okay. This one correct. Sorry. So yeah, good, done. Very good.
So if they say then next time I have to like move the 2 cm up so that it can be connected.
Yes. Okay, number pattern.
I feel so smart after I got this answer.
16?
Yeah.
All?
Yes.
Okay, good. So write down the sequence for the fifth. What's the pattern? Oh. Square, right? N square, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's n plus 1 bracket square.
M plus 1, yes.
Yeah. Bracket square.
Yeah.
You must have a bracket. So 6 times 6, right?
Yeah.
So how many odd integers are there from 1 to 49? 几个啊?
I have 25.
25. So use the above number pattern to find the following. So 5 is 5 times 5. So this is 25. So 25 times 25 lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
625.
Ooh. Then in that case, I know how to find the sum of odd numbers already. Remember how we find the find the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus whatever until 50, right?
Yeah.
We talk about how to find the sum of all these, right?
Yeah.
Then we also learn how to find the sum of even number, right?
No.
Yes. So in a way, let's say until 40. So in a way, this is 1 times 2, this is 2 times 2, then this is 2 times 3. Then you can see the common
then the
2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 until plus 20, right?
Yes.
So you know how to get 1 plus 2 until 20. So
Yeah.
2 times this, which is very simple,
Yes.
right? That one. Then now I know how to find this one already.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's easier if you do like
Which one? You're talking about the odd
three.
odd number sum, or all number sum, or even number sum?
Like I think that this
No, you talk about even number sum, or all number sum, or odd number sum.
odd number sum.
Odd number sum is very easy. Just count how many are there. Just times.
Yeah.
Yeah. So over here is the same thing lor. So 841, you just need to square root it. What do you get?
I got 29.
Huh?
841 I got 29.
Okay, so 29. So you need to have 29 of this lor. So 29 times 2 is 58 lor. So it's
Yeah.
1 until n equals to 58, right?
I got 57.
Oh, actually 57, sorry. Because it has to be an odd number.
Yeah.
Yep, sorry. Okay? Good. Okay, good. Number pattern done. So this number pattern is not very standard.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's not very hard. Okay, this question looks like it keeps coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, so you just find this, then you find this, because it's F, then this is 180 minus this one, then you can find all already. So it's very simple. Of course, you state the reasons. Okay, this one, yes. Exterior angle sum?
N minus
No, sum of exterior angle first.
sum of exterior angle
Yeah,
360.
correct. So if one of them is 30, so you divide by 30 is 12. So the
Yeah.
number of sides is 12.
Yes.
Okay?
Let me see if I get 12. Yeah, I got 12.
Yeah, but maybe you don't use this formula.
Yeah.
Okay, but this formula is very fast. You realize?
Yes.
Then 3 of the interior angle is 增 then the remaining interior is trying to find the value of the, so it's 110 plus 145 plus 153. The remaining interior is
155.
n times 14.
N minus 3 times 142.
Yes. Okay. Equals
to I got n minus 2 times
n
1.
minus 2 times 180.
180.
Correct. Then after that you just solve this equation.
Yeah.
Yep. Good. Distance.
That question.
You need to change the unit 48 to hours. Then you also need to change this to kilometer per hours. Did you?
Ooh.
Yes. You see? You can't make mistakes like
I
this.
got km.
So you need to convert it to km per hour. You must bear in mind.
Oh. E plus 2 plus.
Hey, you should be alert about all these mistakes. Actually, we talk about this.
Actually,
Unit.
I know where my mistake is not about the unit.
Then?
It's the 80. I look as 48 km.
Wow. Wait. I think you should play your netball. Don't study lah. Focus. So I think your focus should be on netball.
No.
No okay. Oh.
Oh, over.
I think for netball you cannot jump, right?
You can jump.
You can jump? Like you hold the ball, you can jump and then
No.
you cannot, right?
You cannot jump.
Okay. You can jump to receive the ball.
Yes.
But once you are holding the ball, you cannot jump.
Yeah. And Jingxi is a defender.
So
So she
can block.
yeah, she can block.
Okay.
And she's very tall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And okay. But not as tall as the Sri Lanka one, right? That guy.
That is so
How to
tall.
block that lady?
Then you have to jump.
I'm afraid that there must be another lady or there must
Standing
be other
on someone
ladies.
else.
Yeah. Either on par or higher than her.
Yeah. Like because if you
I want to see the two giants fight with each other. Yeah.
The two giants usually you can find like Australia, New Zealand, this kind of netball team,
Okay.
they have more taller
Okay.
ones.
I think Americans they don't play netball. They
Yeah.
play basketball instead.
Yes.
So they put more energy into they put their focus elsewhere.
Yes.
Maybe Singapore has given up hope on basketball and football, so that's why they focus on the lesser played sports
Yeah,
like netball. Hopefully they can build their reputation.
no.
No. Okay.
If Singapore compete with Malaysia,
Oh, okay.
it'll be horrible.
Okay.
Like if Singapore compete with Malaysia,
Okay.
it'll be traumatizing.
Okay. Cứ thành ra miền Nam mà, có thành ra miền Nam đi là còn chẳng阿妹話阿妹付，
要做咪資費咯。
要去拍要去拍。
阿妹唔知嗰度數萬蚊，佢好
佢貼住我嗰隻，我話咁啊，抌乜貼住我嗰隻啊？
因為叫我去全去揾。
佢貼住我嗰隻咁啊？
唔係貼。
唔啦。唔好揼定佢去個牆。
做問啊，冇得收嘅。幾支粉啊？我買支粉食用嘅。
It is a big number. It's
So-
133.
Okay, so the average speed for entire journey. So the total distance is 100k
Yes.
kilometer.
Yeah.
Then the total time. So you should get the 30 into kilometer per hour first.
Yeah.
So 30 meter per seconds. So to kilometer per hour is 30 divided by 1000. Then 1 divided by 3600. So can you help me out? Just this one divided by this.
30 over 1000
Divided by 1 over
divided by 1 over 360.
00. Yeah.
108.
Okay, 108. So it's 108 kilometer per hour.
Yes.
So you need to use 20 divided by this one
And
to
I
get
got
the out.
5 over 27.
5 over 27. Very good. So this is the time, right?
Yeah.
So this time plus this time. So 5 over 27. So this is the total time. Then this is the total distance. Total distance divided by the total time.
I got 133 over 135.
Never mind.
here now.
Can you help me out with this first? This is the total time.
Over 60 plus 133 over 135.
133 over 135. So you just take this divided by this. So that's the average speed.
135,000.
Okay, mixed
over
number, mixed number.
There's no mixed number.
Yes, there is a mixed number. This one divided by this one, there is a mixed number.
Oh, 101
Yeah.
and 67
Yeah.
over 133 km per hour.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So this one,
I need help with 12 tree.
this one actually quite easy because once you get the product factors, right? So how to be the perfect cube? Perfect cube means you just need to be able to cube root it.
Cube rooted.
Yeah.
But
Cube root means like there is a tree here lah.
yeah. And
What's your prime factorization?
I got 2.
是吧? So how many 2 you need before it can be cube rooted?
2 more 2s.
2 more 2, so it's 4. How many 3 you need?
1 more 3.
How many 7 you need?
2 more 3. 7.
So this is the smallest case.
But it's so big.
So big, so what? So big, so what? Unless you tell me your perfect cube is wrong lah.
It's 84.
Yeah. So 84, 84 lah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's the way, right?
Yeah.
So if it's big, it's big lah. So the conversion. So conversion from this to this. Actually, before the conversion, meter to cm is 100, right? Times 100, right? So meter to cm is times 100, right?
Yes.
So meter square to cm square is times 100. Since you square this, your 100 also must square.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you get 0.21 times 100 square. 21.
Mr. Low,
Yes.
I think just now I typed wrongly. It's 588 for
Which?
this question.
Yeah, 588. Okay, so it really depends on your your prime factorization must be correct first. Yeah, if it is, then it has to be this.
Okay.
So for perfect square, right, you only need 1/7.
Why? Then you didn't.
Square ma.
Oh, this one is.
I forgot about perfect square. Perfect square that means you don't need to give anybody 2.
Yes.
You don't need to give any 3. You give 1/7.
Okay.
For cube, you need to give.
Okay.
Okay. So for this one, it's 2100 for conversion.
Yes.
Trapezium. 这个嘞?
That I got 15 cm.
How you do it?
So I because the area of
You use the
trapezium
formula, is it?
is height times.
No, you use the formula, is it?
Yes. Yeah.
So basically it's just this plus this times the height divided by 2 is 255.
Yeah.
So that's how you get your H.
Yes. Wow. This question I need help.
So the order one set which offers a 25% discount. There is a service charge of given that she pays your total. Okay, good. So you need to go like reverse. Reverse. So you have let's say the set meal is X dollar.
Yes.
But this set meal X dollar, right? Actually you don't need to pay 100% of it. You only pay 75% of it.
Yes.
So 75% of it, right? You need to give a service charge. Okay?
Yes.
And then after the service charge, you still need to give it a GST. Understand? Then after that, you pay 25.6.
Yes.
Then you just get the X. So in a way,
So it's X times 75x. 0.75x times 1.1 times 1.06. Then equals to 25.
so you use this divided by this whole thing.
Yeah.
Then you
Then
get
you
the
get
X. Correct. Okay?
Yes.
How do you get X over Y? 9.
X over Y, so you have to first calculate it.
You have to cross multiply first.
Cross multiply.
Mhm.
That'll be 44.
哪里？
Here.
这里。
Yeah.
We talk about this. Reverse of cross multiply. Reverse of cross multiply.
Cross multiply then.
Reverse of cross multiply. So if I give you
What does reverse mean?
you need 2x, right?
Yeah.
You need 6 times y, right?
Yeah.
So you put the 6 on top.
and
2.
2.
This is called reverse of. This is the reverse.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
therefore, in this case, 3 over 1.
Yeah.
Okay, this is cross multiply. Yeah, you use cross multiply. Yeah, 22 over. Yeah. Okay? But I'm not sure in simplest form, I'm not sure you need to get to 22 over 3, you need to get to 7 and then 1/3.
Oh. But
Fixed
if it's
number.
X and Y is on top and below, then isn't it like
It really depends. If they ask for ratio form, okay, I think simplest form has to be a mixed number.
mixed number?
Yeah. Because your 22 over 3 is an improper fraction. So for improper fraction, I always ask students to put it in proper fraction, which is this.
Okay.
Let's say you have 3 over 2, right? The answer should be 1.5 or 1 and 1/2. Okay? So remember, otherwise you get penalized for 1 mark. Okay, this one. Cross multiply. 错了。 you make silly mistakes. How do you get x?
4 divided by
You
negative.
divide by negative 20, right?
Yeah.
So you use proportionality. Not. I don't know why you get negative 5, because when I look at negative
Oh,
5 it
it's
doesn't make
negative
sense.
1 over 5.
Yep. So
Oh.
that's why I say you see here. That's how you get x.
Okay.
You divide by minus 20. Divide by minus 20 on the left, divide by minus 20 on the right.
Okay.
Pick up. 7.
The next page.
Got bracket, very good. Okay, open up, very good. Okay, looks good. Circumference is 1. Actually, they never ask you to round, or no need to round. No need to round. Just give it. I think there must be instructions on the cover page. Let's read the instruction on the cover page. You read, If the degree of accuracy is not specified, then the answer is not exact, which is that case. So you give 3 significant figures. Can you see? This one.
Oh.
So you need to give 3 significant figures. That's just not the question. You cannot anyhow round. So you need to give 3 significant figures. And then you see, once again, you never write down what the calculator gives you. You straight away write the round off answer. Then your part 2 is going to be affected, right? Because you straight away you take 19, right? Do you take 19 for part 2?
Yes.
Okay, you see. So another 1 mark penalized. So write down the full format.
9, 3, 9, 4, 3, 8, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. So you need to write down the full format, which is 18.9394 blah blah blah, and then therefore 3 significant figure is 18.9. Then write down 3 significant figure. And then for the area of the circle is pi r squared, which is pi times r. R is your. Actually, you can use your the most exact one.
Yeah. 18. 9, 3, 9, 4, 3, 8, 2, 3.
You square it. Okay, just use this times the pi. I mean, this one square it, then times the pi. Then write down the full form first.
Okay.
Then you write down the 3 significant figure.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
If not, you get penalized.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Factorize.
At the bottom.
So good. And this one is the same thing actually.
Yeah.
But I think you need to factorize the 5 out also. Did you? Did you factorize the 5 out?
No. Oh, yes.
Did you or?
No.
Oh, okay, good. So, hello. So you did not. Yep, you did not. 就不可以咯. Okay, you should factorize the y out. 5 out.
I was checking about that thing and I didn't find it.
这个这个就是 open up. 这个 open up. 这个是这个，等一下。You need to simplify. Plus minus is minus.
Which one I need to simplify?
The plus minus.
Oh. So it's minus.
Then you take out the common factor 3. So pink plus blue is 40. Then 0.25 blue laminated. The remaining 21 blue. So that means 75% of blue is not laminated.
Yeah.
So it's 21 no?
Yeah.
So B is equal to, so 21 divided by this 28.
Yeah.
Yeah, so blue is 28. So this one is 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, so blue is 28. So P is 12. 12. Okay, good. Ascending order, so very easy lah. So I'm not going to just use your calculator, then just get it into the decimal number, then just compare.
Yes.
Without using a calculator, how do you estimate? Okay, very good attempt. Round up, then 这是多少？43、40。Did I make a mistake or you make a mistake? Oh, I make a mistake because you need this is I did not write the cube root, so it's 3, so it's 19. I never get the square root, sorry. So it's 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 times this. Okay, good. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, good. Okay, very good. So, okay, remember to read the instructions here.
Yes.
They say and then of course for answers in degrees, right? For angle, if it's not exact, then you need to have 1 decimal places.
Okay.
Okay.
They
So
said U for pi, right, is
Yeah.
either
3.142
yeah,
or the exact, right?
Yeah, I never see it, man.
How come the Woodlands ring one? I thought I get it.
They say some sources.
Yeah,
it's
no
not-
problem.
Yeah.
But I checked before. Okay, never mind. We just look at it. 不是这里。Woodland, where's Woodland? 哦，是 Woodland. Hey. It's Woodlands ring. It's very funny. I don't know where I get the paper from already. Oh, set 1 math. Oh, okay, yeah. Can you see Woodland? Wow, I don't know where I get the paper from. That's the funny thing.
No.
没有 right?
没有。
Wow, where I get the paper from? It doesn't make sense. I don't know where I get the paper from. No wonder it cannot load. No wonder it cannot load. Yeah, sorry. No wonder it cannot load. I don't even know where I get the paper from. Okay, never mind. Swiss Cottage. Did we talk about Swiss Cottage before?
To see the question.
没有啦。
No.
有吗？
有。
Okay,
有
good. So in a way, right, you see, the questions are very similar. Okay, so they will give you a prism, and then somehow they will drill a hole.
Yeah, and then they'll ask you.
So in this case, right, the cross sectional is actually a semicircle plus a rectangle
Rectangle.
minus of the circle. So this is the way they can test you. Okay.
We did this before.
Yeah. Okay, we did this Swiss Cottage before.
I think I did all the paper.
是吗
Yes.
No leh, St. Gabriel. I cannot recall you
No.
yet. No, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if they have
Neither
some.
North Vista.
Then yeah,
Yeah, no.
this one looks good. Oh, they have solution, but anyway, we don't need that. Okay, your school is actually learning construction
Yes.
and
Not only
polygon.
No, not polygon. We haven't started learning yet.
Okay, okay. Construction and
Only construction.
only construction.
For parallelogram and all.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what we are learning now.
Mm. How come
Coherence.
this question is this paper is so okay, let's try this. But this looks interesting to me. It's a sequence.
Let me find a paper.
Ah, behind the graph paper.
Oh,
Behind
here.
the graph paper. Can see it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what's the pattern?
The pattern for the length is 4 plus 1. Everything is 2 plus 1. Like the width plus 1 equals the length.
Okay, width plus 1 is okay, yep, makes
Yeah.
sense. Mm.
And area is the width
Times,
plus the length. For perimeter is 6.
Uh-huh.
And then the number behind is
Mm.
the width minus 1 times 4.
Okay, so A leh, part A.
Part A, I got 10 for width and 11 for length.
10 and 11. Oh, okay, makes sense, yeah.
Yeah.
And they are different, they have a difference of 1. Okay,
Yeah.
then B leh?
B is n times n plus 1.
为什么?
Because for n is the width and then n plus 1 is the length, then both of them times together is 20.
Correct. So you are trying to tell me n times n plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Then when you need to open the bracket,
Yes.
which is n square plus n.
Yeah.
Did you get n square plus 1?
Yes.
N square plus n, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay, good. Then C leh?
see is 6
Mm-hmm.
plus 4 times n minus 1.
Like this?
Yes.
You need to simplify, you know. Did you?
I didn't.
Yeah, so you need to simplify. So it should be, yeah, I let you continue first.
And it, six minus 4. Okay. 2 plus 4. Then for D, it is the width is 30 and the length is 31
30,
and 31.
31.
Yes.
How? How? How you get it?
So wait, so is
So are you trying to tell me the parameter is actually 6 plus 4, 21, right?
yeah.
This will give you, can you help me out? 4 times 29 plus 6.
It's 1 to 2.
Okay, good. Okay, got it. Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, actually, you remember you have a number pattern question for your bonus? For your bonus?
Yes.
You know how to do that?
No. I didn't look at that question. I looked at that question and then I didn't
Actually,
get-
they have a hint for you. The hint is you need to make use of the one in front. Ah,
Is it?
yes, you need to make use of the front, the one in front. Yeah. So let's say you start with this 2, then 5, then 8. So you know that this is plus 3 plus 3, right? This is very simple.
Yes.
This is the first number pattern. I'm talking about the bonus one. So you have this. So in a way, right, I'm also telling you like this is also another type. So we have talked about 3 common types, right? So this is probably another type, which is, so I get this one out first, which is first number plus the difference n minus 1, then 3n minus 1, right? And then now they ask you, they give you, this is probably, this is so in a way, right, it's 9, right? Okay, so they ask you how this two is linked together.
Yes.
Okay, so if you look at this, right, you can see from 2 to 6 is times 3,
Yeah.
then
15
from
times 3.
5, yep, so it's times 3, so from this is times 3. So in a way, like, in order to get this pattern, right, you just take this times 3, no?
Yeah.
I think you practiced this question before,
I didn't.
a similar question.
Yeah.
Remember
Maybe.
that? You remember there is a question like they asked you to see whether make use of part 1 and then you get the hands, right? And then that time is times 4 or something. Everyone is times 4. Okay? Yeah.
Like during exam, I look at this question, it's like blank. Like
Bonus?
nothing happens in the brain. Like maybe if I can calm down better, maybe I can think of it out, like squeeze something out.
Or you cannot because you didn't even have time for the distance question.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then yeah.
Teacher, after I tell you this, you're gonna get very mad.
Right.
It's the n like
That, wait.
the n question.
Don't tell me you got the number pattern question wrong in your WA3.
I got one of them wrong.
Is it the what, whether they are in the series or that kind of thing?
No, it's
Then?
because it said -3, then negative, it's negative something minus negative something equals negative 11. I wrote negative 10.
Yes.
Yeah.
So okay. So can I ask you why you tend to key in wrongly, write wrongly, copy wrongly? 为什么?
I think I'm not sure, but like maybe it's like because I'm like in the time Yeah, I wouldn't like look at
Rush.
Yeah, like rushing it.
Okay, yeah.
Rushing it.
So in fact, right, when you tend to write wrongly, read wrongly, copy wrongly, right?
Yeah.
So the main problem is actually time management.
Yes.
So okay, there are many reasons for mismanage the time. Okay, one of the reasons is you are not good with the concepts. Okay, you are not good with the concept. So let's say if I read this question, probably I spend 1 minute, I know what to do. Then for you, probably you spend 5 minutes, you still don't know how to do.
Yeah.
So in a way, right, when you don't have enough time, then it's a vicious cycle.
Uh-huh.
No time, rush, don't know what to do, so it's a vicious cycle. So a spiral downward, getting worse and worse.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why you probably want to okay, so my observation of you, right, is you have no problems with concepts, but you have a lot of problems with I don't know how to put it yet. It like you have problems that are hard to define. I have yet to find the words to describe your problems. Like problems like the scale, you didn't follow the scale, right? And then when you are asked to get y equals to 12, x equal to what, and then you will read the here instead of draw a line here. why not you read here? Okay, so in a way, right, you are still, I would say, lack of practice of questions. Okay, but that's the reason why, right, I have uploaded 2 sets at the moment. Okay, and next week you are going to do 2021.
Yes.
And then I'm going to upload 2 more. So what I want you to do is, on top of the 2021, I want you to go back and, so let me show you something.